Annyeonghaseyo, Namaste, apa kabar? Now my name is Lynn, I'm your guide, and today we are going to discover birds from all over the world. Everyone, meet my friend Wai.
Hello everyone! Hi! Now I am a birder, which means I don't just look at birds, I look for birds. Now I've traveled from Scotland to Zululand and all the way down to Antarctica to look for as many birds as I can in a single year.
Now Wai is very, very passionate and a little bit crazy.
Hey, I'm not crazy!
Okay, so can you share with them how many birds have you seen?
So last year I've seen about 1,000 birds, but this year I'm planning to break the record and see 3,000 birds or even more!
Hashtag show off.
I know!
Okay, kidding aside, everyone, let us begin our journey to meet some smart, colorful, and truly incredible boyfriends. First up, South America. Now we will take a drive to the port, then a boat ride on the Tango-Hanta River. We might see the footprints of a jaguar or spot a red howler. Look around you! You are now in one of the most biodiverse parts of the Peruvian Amazon. Now everyone, welcome to Chucho Clay, where hundreds of birds gather every day to lick on clay. Now this clay lake is the largest of its kind in the world. Now look right back there, here comes Adrian and very shortly his best friend Ferrari, our scarlet macaws.
Now macaws, they have very sharp and pointy bills, which means they might sometimes eat unripe fruits. However, these unripe fruits may contain toxins that are harmful to these birds. Now by consuming clay, it helps to neutralize these toxins. Amazing, right?
Yep, no upset tummies. Well, looks like Adrian and Ferrari are enjoying the salty feast. Can we give them a round of applause, everyone?
Alright, Liz, I want to see even more birds. Even more? Okay, so let's not stop and fly with me to Southeast Asia!
So everyone, welcome to Bird Paradise in Singapore. This park is home to 3,500 birds from over 400 alien species. So why 3,500 birds? Is that enough for you?
Of course not. I want to see more birds. 4,000?
4,000. This is gonna be crazy. Okay. Since she wants to see more birds, we are going to be joined by friends of the park, and here they come. Hello there. Now with me here, this is Higgins, a green-winged macaw. And green-winged macaws like Higgins here, they are one of the largest in the parrot family. And Higgins is about 10 years old.
Now right here with me, I have Katie, a silver-crested cockatoo. Now, cockatoos, they can be found in Australia as well as certain parts of Indonesia. They get their name silver-crested cockatoos from the yellow feathers on top of their heads.
Now parrots, they mate for life and make devoted parents. So, they take advantage of abandoned tree cavities or tree hollows just like this to build their nests.
That's right. Now, they use nesting materials such as dried leaves, bark, and even branches just like this, and they will drop it into the nest. Now, if the cavity is too small small, they will use their beaks to enlarge it. So let's see how the birds do this, shall we?
So if you are wondering what's happening inside everyone, let's watch this. Look at the kids right there. Oh, so cute. Oh, Katie, look, Katie, that's you. Look at her. Look at that. Okay, Katie, it's time for you to head back home.
I think she's posing for pictures.
Home is that way. You built enough already. There's a lot of nesting materials in there. I think that's enough for you. Look at her. Katie, come on, let's go. Very playful this afternoon. Can we give it up for Katie and Higgins, as well as their wonderful traders?
Did you hear a rooster? A rooster in the park? Where is it? Oh, Lynn, I found it! That's the rooster!
No, why? There's your rooster.
Iris is a rooster?
No, the bird.
No. Those are Amazon parrots.
Okay, how about you just stand right here and listen, okay?
Okay, I will stand right here.
Okay, very good. Now, Quincy, can you show YY how you do the rooster? See? I told you right.
Okay, I believe you.
Okay, very good. Now, by the way, everyone, this right here is Quincy and Amigo, and they are masters of mimicry. So before Quincy here mimics some sounds, Quincy, can you be polite? Can you welcome all our guests? Ready? Do you catch what he said? He said, "Welcome to Parrot Paradise." Let's say that one more time. There you go! Welcome to Parrot Paradise. Good job, Quincy. So you heard Quincy mimic the rooster earlier. This time, how about the cat? Ooh, that was a very fierce cat. Okay, let's try one more. How about a high-tech sound? Quincy, how do you do the telephone? There you go. Can we give Quincy a big hand, everyone? Well done.
Now parrots, they often copy sounds made by their family members. So when you hear these birds imitate human sounds, just know that they are mimicking what they hear around them.
That's right. So in our case, Quincy and Amigo's family are the Mandai Star.
Alright, so it's your turn now. Would you like to say hello? Wow! Very nice and sweet hello. Now we all know his name is Amigo, right? But he can say his name for himself. Okay, so would you like to tell them what's your name?
Amigo!
Amigo! Okay, Amigo, how else would you like to greet all these nice people? Oh, he's asking how are you? What a polite bird. Now, Amigo here, he loves to sing as well, and he can sing the birthday song. Now, for those of you who are celebrating your birthdays today, this song goes out to you. Amigo, are you ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Wow, I must say that was pretty amazing, right?
Yes, indeed. But hold on, everyone. Now, Quincy here is 1 in 10,000. Amigo, 1 in a million. What you usually get as a pet is a bird just like Victor. So loud. Oh my goodness. That's too loud. Bye-bye. So everyone, please do think twice. Actually, you know what? Think 100 times, okay, before getting yourself pet parrots. And with that, thank you very much, Quincy and Amigo, our Amazon parrots.
Now, each year, hundreds and thousands of these birds are sold in the pet trade. Amazonian parrots, they can live up to 50 years in captivity. It is a lifetime commitment. Now, some of you might think that they will make great pets, but guess what? They won't.
That's right. So instead of getting yourself a pet parrot, why not come along to the bird paradise instead, where you can see all these beautiful birds, right, Wai?
That's right. Okay, Lynn,
Yes.
what's next?
Now, Wai, did you know that Wings the World is proudly sponsored by Kellogg's?
Kellogg's? I didn't know that, but I do love Fruit Loops.
And this segment is brought to you by Fruit Loops. So in a very short while, we will be joined by our beautiful Togo toucan Elmo, okay? Now Togo toucans like Elmo, they can be found in South America. Let's just give him a while, okay? And by the way, Elmo is also Kellogg's Fruit Loops ambassador. Elmo, you're coming out anytime now? And by the way, toucans, they are actually often mistaken as hornbills because of the size of their wings as well. Okay, so later we will show you just that. Oh, hi! Hi, Sharia. Okay, Elmo, this way. Come on. Thank you. Okay, now by the way, as I mentioned earlier, Elmo is Kellogg's Fruit Loops ambassador. So he's going to show off his amazing flying abilities by flying through the giant Fruit Loop. Okay, Elmo, are you ready? Right here, Elmo. Wow, what a beautiful flight! Now, toucans, they are known for their incredible speed and agility. Their bodies are so flexible, they are able to fly through small gaps in the forest. And this is getting our giant Fruit Loop. Congratulations! One more flight! And there you go. Thank you very much, Kellogg's, for sponsoring Wings of the World. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are about to meet Asia's iconic species of bird, the Oriental Pied Hornbill. Now everyone give answer, that is Oris and Oriental Pied Hornbill. Now Oris here, he fell out of the nest as a chick, and in the wild, Oris would have not survived, but here at Bird Paradise, he was nursed back to health and has a safe and permanent home with us. That's right. Now, hornbills and toucans, they have a few major differences. Firstly, the toucans, they can be found in Central and South America, while the hornbills, they can only be found in Africa and Asia. Now, take a closer look at their heads. You will notice that they have a cusp. Now, that cusp is right on top, if you can see right over there. Okay, so it can sometimes range from a small ridge to even big and brightly colored. Okay, so by the way, is there anything else you can spot? Yep, we are feet. Now, hornbills, they have 3 toes up front with broad soles, and toucans, they have 2 toes in front and 2 at the back. Hear me? Okay, I got my voice back. Now, this helps the bird to find strength and stability to hop up and down branches. Okay, Lynn, your turn to share. Their tongues. I remember this. Hornbills, they have a shorter tongue, but both birds use their tongues to toss food into their mouth. Okay, so let's check this out for elbow first. Ready? Wow, okay, Oris, your turn. Oh, a little bit excited. Ready? Now, both birds, they are agile flyers, which means they are able to catch their prey mid-air without even stopping. So let's have Elmo demonstrate this behavior first, shall we? Okay, Elmo, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Now, if you missed that, not to worry. Oris, are you ready? 1, 2, and there you go! With that, let's thank Elmo and Oris. Great job, guys!
Now, hornbills, they have very unusual nesting behavior. They love to nest in tree cavities just like the one right out there. Right here in the bird paradise, we show you this nesting behavior without you leaving your seat from the smaller Orient-of-Light hornbill. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, here comes Vicky, our great white hornbill! Great white hornbills, they are one of the largest hornbills found in Southeast Asia. Did you know that in Borneo, Indonesia, some tribes, they believe that if a hornbill were to fly past their village, it means that they will be blessed with good luck. Now very shortly, Vicky will be flying out there to check out her nestle. Ready? One straight shot forward. And there you go. Female hornbills, they are very fussy about their accommodation. It has to be spacious as well as a chimney at the top for them to escape if needed to. The male hornbills will then bring them mud. They will use this mud to mix it with mashed fruits as well as their droppings to create a strong spill. Sticking up for mates, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, here comes Sunny, another great white hornbill!
So what Sunny is doing right now is he is gathering food to feed Vicky. Now for up to 4 months, Sunny will feed Vicky and the chicks through that small gap in the nest hole. Look at it. There he goes. Now if you cannot see this loving gesture, let's take a look. So in the wild, this is what happens. The female will inspect the nest cavity and only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. Look at that, there she goes. And right now we have the male hornbill feeding her through that small gap. Now this unique nesting behavior is similar to almost all 62 different species of hornbills. Alright, and with that everyone, can we give it up for Vicky and Sunny, our great white hornbill. That way. Bye.
But everyone, hornbills, they are under threat. The critically endangered helmeted hornbills are being hunted to extinction for their cuts, also known as the red ivory. What's happening to the elephants are also happening to these birds. And that's why I am here at Mandai, because Mandai Nature supports conservation efforts to protect these endangered birds. As a birder, it is best to see birds in the wild or right here at wildlife parks where they get the best care possible.
And speaking of best care, hello everyone, I am James from Bird Paradise. Now my team and I work really hard to keep our birds active, engaged, and also enriched. And in a very short while, we'll be joined by our lovely birds. So everyone keep your eyes right back there, and let's welcome our beautiful corneas. There we go. Alright, now as you can see, that is a monkey feast our corneas have landed on. And that is an additional device that we give to our birds. Now the monkey feast consists of ropes being tied into a knot. And inside those knots being placed little treats for our birds to find. Now corneas, they can be found in the forests of South America. However, they are also endangered. Every year, around 800,000 of them are being sold into the pet trade. And corneas like them, they are a social bird, which means that they are the happiest when in a large flock. So please don't buy them and keep them as house pets. Look at that, they have taken back off already. You know what? Let's give up once again for our beautiful corneas, everyone.
Thank you very much, James, for giving us some insights about enrichment for our resident corneas.
Alright, Lynn, before we carry on with the program, let's push this a very heavy stuff all the way back there. And there you go. Now birds, they are everywhere. They are social or solitary, loving, fiercely protective of their young. And that is why I love traveling around continents to see them. But what I love to see is birds from all over the world, right here, right now.
Well, why? You know what? I think your wish is about to come true.
Really?
Yes.
When?
I'll show you. Come, come,
Okay,
come.
let's go. Follow me, let me.
Now with that, we hope you have enjoyed discovering the beautiful wings of the world. Thank you so much for joining us on our adventure and happy learning! Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the next program happening right here at Sky Amphitheater will be the Predators on Wings at 2:30 p.m. Once again, the next program happening right here at Sky Amphitheater will be the Predators on Wings at 2:30 p.m. where you can catch owls, eagles, and vultures in action.